Happy New Year, family and frenzies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, as you can see, we are back with another cooking video and we are making black-eyed peas. You can't go through the new year without having a nice good old plate of black-eyed peas. So right here, I did roughly chop up 1 onion. I have a package of ham hocks and I'm going to show you the seasonings that I use. I have thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, Lawry seasoning salt, bay leaves, and black pepper. So guys, right now I'm actually preparing to drain my black-eyed peas. So I'm just going to pour all of them into the colander. And I'm going to actually rinse these off really good. You want to make sure your black-eyed peas are nice and clean. You don't want to leave any old rocks or rotten pieces of peas inside there, because of course you don't want to cook those, y'all. So you just want to really make sure you rinse them well and make sure you definitely pick out any like I said, any old rotten pieces of peas, any rocks that may be hidden in there, and just make sure you get all of those out before you actually start the cooking process. Okay, now it's time to clean your ham hock. You want to always make sure you rinse your ham hock off really good. Make sure it's clean, turn it around. You're going to rub on that really good and make sure, because sometimes the ham hock will have some slimy, gooey stuff all on the outside. You want to make sure you get as much of that off as you can. And as you can see, I'm showing you here, I did put a few slits into the ham hock all the way around. I scored it a bit. This will help the cooking process because it will take the ham hocks pretty long to cook. But if you cut it throughout, it will definitely cut down your cooking time. So now it's time to add your cold water to your ham hock. Make sure your heat is on high. You're going to make sure the ham hock is covered with your cold water, and you're going to begin to add your seasonings. So I just went in with my garlic powder, my seasoning salt, and right now I'm going to add some more onion powder. And then after the onion powder, we're going to add some black pepper. And now I'm going to add my roughly chopped onions. That's going to give your black-eyed peas a really nice oniony flavor. And we're going to put a top on the pot, and we are going to boil this down for at least 1.5 hours. So now, family and frenzies, while my black-eyed peas are slow cooking, I'm going to enjoy a nice hot cup of tea. This is just 1 tea bag of regular Lipton black tea, and I have 1 tea bag of Earl Grey tea. I love those two combinations together. And of course, I added a little bit of milk. If you know me well, you know I love my milk tea, y'all. And the cup couldn't have fit any better. Born Disney, raised Disney. That's what it is, y'all. So now it's time to check on your black-eyed peas, y'all. Just make sure you check on them periodically. You want to stir them up. As you can see, this will need a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to take a little chicken broth and I'm going to add that to the pot. You want to make sure that the liquid is covering your meat. Sometimes the liquid will evaporate. So we're just going to give it a stir. And as you can see, they are definitely coming along nicely. At this point, I added a few bay leaves as well. This is going to give your beans a really good flavor. So after your 1.5 hours is up, you will notice that your liquid will start to thicken. It's going to thicken on its own. You don't need to add any type of artificial thickening or anything like that. As you can see, the beans are almost halfway done now. You can see the onions. And so again, just make sure you are stirring them periodically so that your beans don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And now it's time to taste to see if your flavors are there. I like to add a little bit of sugar to my black-eyed peas. And also, if you need it, you can go in with the same exact seasonings you used in the beginning. So you're going to go in with that onion powder, that garlic powder. You're going to go in with that Lawry salt if you need it, and that black pepper. Also, guys, I am going to, at this point, add the thyme. The thyme is going to give your black-eyed peas a very nice flavor. You will definitely like it. Not everyone use thyme, but I like the flavor of thyme, so I definitely love it in my peas as well. Once you have added all of your seasonings, you want to make sure you give it a good stir. Make sure all those flavors are all married together. You're going to return your lid to the pot and let that go for another 30 minutes. At this point, family and frenzies, your black-eyed peas are done. Look at that, y'all. Look how good those black-eyed peas look, and it smells absolutely delicious. Look at that, the meat just fell off the ham hock bone. All of that meat just fell right off the bone. So now we're going to plate your black-eyed peas. All that luscious meat, all that ham hock. It smells so good, y'all. Look at that. Black-eyed peas won't be black-eyed peas without that cornbread on the side. Try this recipe, guys. I really hope you like it. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe.